To Rob F. Jr., 1978, autograph, 2013 Leaf full-size helmet. Good luck. And thank you very much, man. Here we go. Good luck. The loudest rapper ever. Hope this one's better than your Billy Shaw you got last night, man. NFL replica helmet. It's a Cardinal, huh? It's usually not the best thing in the world, but let's see. It's a Rydell. Let's see who it is. Let's see who it is. Good luck, Rob. Says something about champs on it. 1997 NFL champs? No, 1947. Wow, this is old school. Trippy? 1947 NFL champs. Hall of Fame, 1968. It's a nice helmet too if you like glitter. It's kind of glittery. So it's Charlie Trippy. For the Cardinals. Old school, man. Hall of Fame. It's actually pretty nice if you like the old school stuff. There you guys see the glitter a little bit. Alright, glad to hear it, Rob. Glad to hear it, man. I like when the old school stuff goes to somebody that appreciates it. You know, sometimes a lot of us have never even heard of a player or something, you know. And so, love when it goes to a good home. Alright, thanks again.